Yeah, Arav, you may come here.
Continue working. And continue working.
Hello. Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, you are audible now.
Okay.
Hi, good evening, both of you. And good evening, everyone. I extend a warm welcome to all the participants of this capstone project presentation. And I find immense pleasure in introducing our guest, Miss Ekta, who is a principal architect, and Miss Naini, I hope I pronounce your name correct.
It's Mani.
Mani, okay.
Yes.
So, Miss Mani, who is an STEAM and robotics educator. We are really thankful to both of you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to attend this session. Thank you so much. And I hope you all will, you both will enjoy your time with us and with these young folks.
Background this project.
All right. Now, these kids will be going with their, they will be explaining you their projects one by one. And I hope you will enjoy your time with us. So Ishan, I guess you will be going first. Yeah, please start with your introduction and then you may explain your project.
Hello ma'am, I am Ishan Jain and I study in Kulachi Hansard Model School. I study in 7th standard and now I am going to show you a useful project which is gas sensor. So there are leakages in factories and many other places. So this will be helpful. So this is the gas sensor and this is the Arduino board. Now I have coded it and see ma'am, see the pollution is very high. It's 134 like this. So the buzzer is on. Ma'am, there is means more pollution. So if the pollution is more than the thresholds value given, then the buzzer will turn on so we can know that the gas is leaked.
Yeah, could you please explain something about this gas sensor? What all kind of sensors we have in this gas series and what all gases it can detect?
Yes, ma'am. It is MQ2 gas sensor, which is for detecting many gases, like I'm going to tell you. Yes, ma'am. Like detecting S2, LPG, CO, smoke, alcohol, like these. So there are many gas sensors in the series like MQ2, MQ3, and many more like this.
Perfect. Very nice. If you may have any queries, okay, Mani and ma'am, you may please ask Ishan if you want to ask something. He have made a gas leakage detection. Ekta ma'am, you somehow left the meeting in between because of the internet connection. So let me just brief you. Ishan made a project on detecting the gas leakage.
Okay.
Like earlier, right now, like all the houses, they have gas pipeline, but when we used to have LPG cylinders, so there is possibility of gas leakage. So to detect that, he made an alarm system. So whenever there is a leakage, so the alarm will buzz and the family members will come to know that there is a gas leak.
Wow, that's a very nice project, Ishan.
Thank you, ma'am.
And so where did you get the idea from?
From net.
Okay, that's a very useful project.
Have you ever implemented some other sensor also? Like you got this idea, you implemented this. Have you ever implemented some other sensor also?
Yes, ma'am. I have many sensors.
Like?
Like, ma'am. like ma'am, humidity, temperature and humidity sensor. I can show the humidity and temperature on the TFT screen of a Vive or LCD screen. And PIR sensor, which is for detecting the movements, and many other like this.
Perfect. Can we have a applause for Ishan? Good job, Ishan. All right. So I guess Abhigna, you will be going next.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, all teachers and friends. I will show you my capstone project to you all. Can we show your capstone project and share my screen?
Yeah, please, you may share your screen.
Yeah.
Abhigna, you are on mute.
I will make my project on saying how to say with the corona and two tips.
Okay.
One minute, please starting.
Yeah, so your hardware is displaying the red lights. What does that mean?
That means there is corona.
Okay, there is corona. Okay, I guess Abhigna, you have used text-to-speech blocks. You need to share your computer sounds. We can't hear anything.
Yes, ma'am.
Please share your computer sounds.
This green sound is for?
The green LEDs are for?
Green LEDs, sorry.
Yeah, Abhigna, your Quarky is displaying that green LED. What is that for?
Because that is a good thing.
That is a good thing. But when that good thing will happen? Under what condition is it happening? कब हो रहा है good thing?
जब वो कोरोना से there because they say corona tips how to sell with corona.
Oh, that's very nice. Very nice. Very nice. So this is very useful. We should be protected from corona. Very useful.
Perfect.
Very good. Very good.
Very nice project, Avigna.
Nice, Abhigna. Good job. Can we have applause, everyone? Yeah, Abhigna, you may stop your screen share. Okay, Purban, will you be going next?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everyone. Myself, Purban Ghosh. I study in class 8 in GKPS school. I have made a project that is in that project. There is a relay. I am using relay, Wi-Fi modules, Arduino Mega board, and a light bulb and some jumper wires. The purpose of my project is that all the home appliances can be controlled from our devices like laptops or any other device. We can control it. So it makes us, so we are sitting in any other room and we want to switch on or off the light from that is in another room. So we can set the instruction so that it so that the bulb or the fan or anything that we are using is controlled. And relay is a device. Relay is a device which controls the AC power to into DC power. It is based on the electromagnetic theory. And another thing I am using is our Wi-Fi module. Wi-Fi module sends messages and its connection is very strong. Long ranges are available, and the board is Arduino Mega. So I want to present my project, and I would request you. I would request you to control my project from the Zoom.
Okay, that's very nice. A very nice and innovative idea.
Would you please control my project?
Like how?
I will share my screen and I will give my remote control to you and tell you how to do that. So it will work. 1 minute. Here we have to add the data, and this is our bulb. Now we have to add the data. So I am giving the remote control to you. Ma'am, so you have to click on the add data. Would you please click on it?
Yeah, I just clicked.
Add data. Once more, please click it. Now type. Now you please type 1 and enter.
Oh, that's nice. That means you're making through Wi-Fi. You're making the LED to be turned on.
Now again, if we want to turn off it, so we will again add the data of 0.
Wonderful, wonderful. Very good.
And may I also give you give control to our another guest, our Ekta ma'am. Ma'am, you are muted.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. 1 minute, I am giving you the control. Now you have to just follow the same process of clicking add data. Yes. You have to add the data of 1. It will, the light is already off. We need to turn on it.
Yeah, just a second. Not
I guess ma'am have joined from the phone. Is that the issue coming?
yeah, that's right.
That's the issue coming. Controlling the screen from the phone is getting harder. Kurban, you can show yourself.
And there is a small option available on your screen, that is if it is blue in color, that means you can control the screen, but if it is not blue, then you cannot control the screen.
No, it's blue, but actually I can't see the numbers, 0, 1. It's too small.
It's fine. I guess, ma'am, you already got the idea what the project is all about. So it's basically related to home automation. We can control our appliances with the ease, like with the comfort. We can just sit and control all the devices.
Yeah, it's like a remote control or
Right.
know, we have
So if we
created
are out, even if we are out, like in some other room, we can control, like if we are lazy, we can't go to that room, so we can just sit on the sofas and control the appliances of the other rooms as well.
yeah, it's an excellent idea.
So is this LED is also a Wi-Fi controlled LED or a normal LED?
It's a normal bulb, normal 9 watt
Normal
bulb.
bulb.
Oh,
This is a normal
okay,
bulb.
okay, 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 okay. Likewise, I
It
thought
is,
that it's a smart
there
bulb.
is our
Likewise,
Wi-Fi module.
okay, okay, okay,
That shiny thing.
okay, okay, okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, yes, Ishan?
And we can also create it by voice controls.
Yeah,
which
voice control tab, right? Right,
I-
right, sure. You can just command your phone, turn off the light, it will do that, or either turn on the light, it will turn on. You can do it with the voice control as well.
Okay.
And Purban, you like you said the relay converts AC into DC. That was opposite. By mistake, you said AC into DC. It's a DC to AC. It converts.
Oh,
All right. So you may stop your screen share. That's very nice and useful project. Can we have applause for Purban, everyone?
yes, for sure. Wonderful.
Good job, Purban. Very impressive. Yeah,
Thank you,
Arav,
ma'am.
you may start.
And good evening, everyone. My name is Araf Khurana. I study in class 6th in Delhi, Dwarka. I have made an automatic sanitizer. So, can I share my screen to show the code?
Yeah, please.
So, this is the code for the automatic sanitizer. I've used an IR sensor and a water pump motor in it. And ma'am, I will show you from the other device. So this is the automatic sanitizer I have made. One, like if we put our hand here, it will start giving sanitizer with the help of water pump motor.
That's very good. Very good. It's very useful these days. Yeah. Very nice.
You know.
Yeah, very nice, Arav. Good job. Can we have applause, everyone? And please, participants, come here on camera. Abhigna, you there? Okay. So I hope, ma'am, you both enjoyed your time with us.
Yes,
Yeah, sure.
Now,
All the projects are very useful and innovative. They have great ideas.
yeah,
very much impressed from these little kids. Like they have done a wonderful job.
that. So the presence of you in today's session is a blessing. I hope that the students are able to seek a little guidance and imbibe something from your kind words. I request you both to enlighten the audience with your kind words as we will just end with the event. You may please share your inputs and then we will close the event. If you want to ask them something related to their projects, if you want to say something, add your inputs, what all changes they can do with their projects, what all kind of projects they can make. If you want to share some idea.
Yeah, actually, they've made such useful projects. I think they should share it with their friends and encourage them also. They will be, well, they have such good ideas. These
Is that?
Yes, definitely these kids have done a tremendous job. They have done wonderfully, like all these things at this very little age. So I would like to say this word that keep exploring these things and be the star of future.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Guys, do explore, use a different kind of sensors and give
definitely.
us the new innovative
Yes,
projects.
yes. Technology has no end, so you can do anything.
So I guess we will be closing this session now. Students, do you want to speak something? Do you want to say something? All right, then. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining the session. Thank you
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.